Look what just came in the mail. So I want to watch out for the rollers. I want to watch out for rivets on the bottom of the boat, which are impossible to avoid. This seems like a great spot. Mark a spot. Mark it. To account for these sitting on here, I'm going to take 2 drill bits, throw one in there, throw one in there. Put a bunch of chalk. Then when I line this up with the drill bits, I have the chalk right here and here. Here and here to show me where to drill out. And put on a bigger drill bit. Because the boat is so thin, instead of using this screw, we're gonna go ahead and use a bolt that we can put a washer and a nut on. I'm gonna go ahead and put sealant right here, here, on this whole back piece, and then right here as well. Now we're going to mount the transducer under the boat. So here we have the mount, some screws, some of these guys, the transducer, and the power cable. Line that up here. Like that. Screws are too long, even with that. So I added some of these. It should be enough. Next thing we have to do is cable management. The plan for the cable to go up, down right here, in here, through here, up into this box where I'm also going to keep the battery. And then that's going to route right here, somewhere in this area. I don't want any kinks in this thing, so I'm going to unroll it to help avoid that. Then I am going to run it up through here. So I'm thinking of putting something right here and another one right here. Now, basically just gonna throw all that up through here, and then that's gonna route out through here